I talk a lot about tolerance. And naturally, when I talk about tolerance, the question comes up, should I tolerate abuse of another devotee? Should I tolerate criticism of another devotee? And I want to talk about that. The short answer is no, you shouldn't tolerate. Prabhupada many times has told us if a devotee is being attacked, meaning physically, we should defend that devotee. And one time he said something which I thought was quite funny. He said, no more tṛṇād sunīcena, just defend that devotee. And we know also from Shastra that we should not hear blasphemy of a devotee. And sometimes it's said, if you're a Kshatriya, don't try this at home, cut out their tongue. So we understand that means get them to stop talking, or because you can't listen to blasphemy, go away. So in some way, you're trying to defend that devotee, either by not listening, because that would contaminate your relationship and it would be an offense, or stopping this person from making offense. So sometimes tolerance can be a very bad quality when you're tolerating something that shouldn't be tolerated. And in this case, this particular case, we're talking about a devotee being offended or a devotee being criticized. Should we tolerate that? No, especially if it's not true. Or especially if the criticism, even if it's valid, is contaminating the environment. It's not being done in a way which is, we could say, sattvic or according to Vaishnava etiquette, but it's being done in a way which is disturbing other devotees and disturbing the environment. Should we do something? Yes, we should. Because it's a sin to see something which is harmful for others and not do anything to prevent it. Now you might say, but sometimes I can't do anything. I don't think that's true. You can't do anything. Maybe you can't do everything that you need to do to stop it, but certainly something can be done, whatever that is in that situation. So the question being, should we tolerate when a devotee is being offended? The answer is no, we shouldn't. We should say something, we should do something, but we should do it in a way which is not going to agitate the situation anymore. We should do it according to Vaishnava etiquette, with a mood of, I want to help this situation, I want to help devotees, I want to protect the devotee who's being wrongly criticized or his mistake is being made public. I want to protect these things from happening. I don't want to create a mood within our temple or organization where these kinds of things are allowed to happen. So yes, the answer is if the devotee is being criticized, being blasphemed, being unfairly treated, try to do something in a Krishna conscious way to help that devotee. Hare Krishna.